The DZFST.FI AFM Disabler Active F keeps General Motors V6 and V8 engines running in full cylinder mode, which noticeably improves throttle response and low-end power in everyday driving. Installation is genuinely simple because it only needs to be plugged into the onboard diagnostics port, with no software tuning, wiring changes, or permanent modifications to the truck. It is especially helpful for Chevrolet Silverado 1500 models with a 5.3-liter V8, where disabling cylinder deactivation can reduce the shudder and uneven feel that some drivers experience. The device is built around a modern control chip that works alongside the factory emissions system rather than bypassing it, so it preserves stock reliability while changing only the behavior of the cylinder management. Clear indicator lights show when the module is active, giving quick visual confirmation that the truck is staying in the desired driving mode without hunting between different cylinder counts. Owners of compatible General Motors trucks and sport utility vehicles appreciate that this compact gold module offers a reversible way to smooth out the engine, especially under towing, hauling, and highway cruising conditions.